Now we have alpha linoleic acid, which is your omega-3s. In the foods, they are found in walnuts. They're found in flaxseed. They're found in chia seed. They're found in green leafy vegetables. They're found in hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds. Alpha linoleic acid has to be converted in the body to become EPA and DHA, which are the highest. Remember, the EPA and DHA have the most spaces. And so that's where you get the most benefit from that kind of fat. So when I read you the foods, you have to convert that into an EPA or DHA to get the full benefit of that fat. Some of the other sources of EPA and DHA are free range eggs. And you got to make sure that they're actually out roaming around, eating. And grass-fed beef, you can find it in there, but they absolutely have to be pasture raised and pasture finished. They can't be grain finished. Cod liver oil, which Dr. Weston Price used, come to find out there's vitamin A in there, there's vitamin K in there, there's omega-3s in there, and then fish oil. And of course, with fish oil or krill oil, you really have to be careful about where you're getting it from. You want to make sure you're getting good quality, high quality fish oil. And for those of you who are vegan and vegetarian, your nuts and your seeds and your chia seeds and all these different things are going to be your best choice.